This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on YouTube. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. Before you can request a payout, make sure you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria. This typically includes having a minimum balance in your AdSense account and complying with YouTube's monetization policies. Step 2. Sign into your AdSense account. Go to the AdSense website and sign in using the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. This is where you will manage your payouts and earnings. Step 3. Check your earnings balance. Once logged in, navigate to the payments section of your AdSense account. Here, you can view your current earnings and confirm that you have reached the payout threshold. Step 4. Set up payment information. If you haven't done so already, set up your payment information in the AdSense account. This includes adding your bank details or choosing an alternative payment method to ensure you can receive your funds. Step 5. Request your payout. When your earnings meet the payout threshold, you can request your payout. Click on the Request Payout option in the Payments section and follow the prompts to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully request payouts from YouTube. Make sure to keep track of your earnings and stay updated on any changes to YouTube's payout policies.